Hi guys, I'm Yasmina. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create attractive thumbnails for my Teachers by Teachers products. So, if you are interested in seeing that, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video like and share so other people can find it as well. That's it, let's get into the video.
Let's go.
Your product cover is the first thing that potential buyers will see about your product, and it needs to grab their attention and make a positive first impression. A product cover needs to be an eye-catching design that draws, makes buyers want to explore more about your product. I use Canva to make my thumbnails because it's very easy to use, and I create my designs faster than using other design software. If you're looking for something fast and easy with built-in assets, Canva is the better value. I have a premium membership, but you can make beautiful thumbnails using the free version. Also, I use Igraal to cashback 37% from my subscription price. So I get Canva Pro for just $6 in a month. TPT thumbnails should be a square form, so I usually use 2000 by 2000 pixels. Click on Create a Design, Custom Size, enter the size 2000 by 2000 pixels. In the last video, I shared with you how I create summer word search puzzles to sell on TPT step by step. And today I'm going to make thumbnails for this product. You can choose a background from here or from images or elements on Canva. I usually use Creative Fabrica to get design elements. I uploaded some items for summer previously from Creative Fabrica. I will use this image as a background for my thumbnail. From shapes and lines, I choose a square. I change the color to white. I choose a line, and from line style I increase line white to 11, and I choose points. Now I make 4 copies, then make a border. Borders are a simple and easy way to add interest and some dimension to your product cover. I previously uploaded the word search sheets on Canva, so I just drag the worksheets into the workspace. Just click and drag until it looks consistent. Very good. Now I added a new square with a stroke to write the title. I changed the square color and the stroke color to other colors to keep it very consistent with other elements. Use large fonts to create a product title that is easy to read and attracts buyers' eye. I would like to add some elements that express the topic of the product. In this case, I have summer word search puzzles, so I will choose one of the elements that express summer. I will add some effects to the design to make something more professional. I click on Edit Image. From Shadows, I choose Glow. My product cover looks very good and attractive. Now I will design other 3 thumbnails. It's very simple, guys. I make a copy of this page and change some details. I always like to add important things in product thumbnails, such as size, number of pages, and does it include an answer or not. It's very good to add these important details in the thumbnail to make it easier for the buyer to make a purchase decision. All these details help your product get more sales. After I finish all the details, I download my cover and thumbnails in a JPEG format and upload it with my product on TPT. But before uploading the product on TPT, I prepare a product description, cover, and 3 thumbnails and previews. In order to facilitate the process of uploading the product, I prepare everything in advance. So in the next video, guys, I'm going to show you how I create my product previews using Canva in just a few minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you again in the next one. Bye.